Good morning, ELD students. This is Mrs. Mori. How are you? I want to ask you about your friends. Who are your who are some friends that you really love? I think about my friends growing up and my friend Susie and my friend Andrea, and my friends. And my friend Timmy. I have lots of friends from when I was a child, just like you have lots of friends. And so this lesson is about having friends, and having friends far away in another country, and friends here. Just like we have friends in other places and we have friends here. So this is going to be a fun lesson using have and has. Um, so what I'd like you to do is to remember to log in using Morse Pond School as your login, and your password is STUDENT. Then what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to please go to there are 3 movies I'd like you to watch, and you can put the closed captioning on, which is that CC button right here. Click closed captioned, which is great. And then we're going to go to the grammar summary. So in the grammar summary, what the grammar summary talks about is having, when we talk about possession, something I have, like I have a book, I have a pencil. You could say I have brown hair. If I had a yellow hair, I could say I have blonde hair. Or you could say I have black hair if it was dark. I could say I have short hair, but you could also say I have long hair, or I have curly hair. Okay. And for friends, you could say something like, I have a friend, you have a friend. So that means possession, the things that we have. You can also say something like the negative. So you can say, I don't have the answer, or I don't know the answer. You could say, I don't have any food. I'm very hungry. I don't have any food. Or you could ask a friend, what do you have? What kind of food do you have? Do you have apples? Do I have a best friend? Oh, I do have a best friend. My best friend's name is Susie. So you could say something like, he has big eyes, or she has big eyes. I'm describing my best friend. She has long hair. She has a big smile. Or you could say, it has no hair. And that would be if I would talk about a dog or a pet. You could say it. You could talk about the window and say, there's one window. It is a big window. You could ask a question like, does she have a book, my friend? Or why does she have a book? You could say something plural, like we all have names. Like my name is Mrs. Mori. You would say we have names, right? You have friends, like you all have friends in the class. We say friends, you're friends with your other students in your class, in your second grade class, or whatever class you're in. You could say you don't do homework. That's negative. You don't have any homework, or you don't do any homework. Negative. No homework. We don't have homework. You could say, when do we do homework? Oh, we do homework at night. Do they have children? Do they have fun? We like to say have fun. It's an expression. Okay, very good. So now, what we're going to do is talk about, we could use this expression. You could say something like, have a good time, have fun, have a drink. You could say, have a baby. And you could say, have a party. Oh, party. Right. And so she has a party every week. I would love to have a party every week with my friends. And then for reading, we're going to learn the shun sound. So in English, TION, SION, and CIAN are all shun sounds. So I would say something like, please pay attention to the tall magician. Tall is up high, and magician is someone who does magic. And so when you're done learning, then you're going to go to the flash words, which is fun. And I'm going to click on those. And for flash words, these words like best, black, the color of hair, Okay, we can say our eye color and our hair color, and we can say has, and our good expression will be
have a good time.
Have a good time, right? Smile, on the smile, and still. So we still have fun with my best friend. You can do wordplay. You can do reading, which is an important one to do. And then write it. I want you to write about your best friend, and you can write about it in a journal on your paper. But the question is, write about one of your friends and describe, like we were doing it in the Zoom on Tuesday, describe what he or she looks like. What does he or she like to do? So you could say something like, I have a tall friend. She has long black hair. She likes to play soccer, right? You're going to write 4 sentences about your friend. I think I only did 3. She does not like to do homework, but she does it anyway. And so good. When you're done with all practicing, then you'll take the quiz, and there are 10 questions again, and you'll send the results to me, Mrs. Morey, at you'll email them to K Morey Clarkson at falmouth.k12.ma.us. And then come to the Zoom on Tuesday. Have fun. This was so fun. I'm so glad we got to do this. Bye-bye.